Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the world. One exciting type of AI is called generative AI. Generative AI is special because it can create new things. Imagine a computer program that can write a poem, compose music, or even paint a picture. This is what generative AI can do. It learns patterns and rules from existing data. Then it uses this knowledge to generate something entirely new. Generative AI is different from traditional AI. Traditional AI analyzes data and makes predictions. Generative AI goes a step further. It uses data to create something original. This new technology has the potential to revolutionize many industries, from art and music to healthcare and business. Generative AI is opening up a world of possibilities. Generative AI models learn from massive amounts of data. This data can include text, images, audio, and more. By analyzing this data, the AI models learn the underlying patterns and structures. One popular type of generative AI model is called a generative adversarial network, or GAN. GANs consist of two neural networks, a generator and a discriminator. The generator creates new data while the discriminator evaluates its authenticity. The generator and discriminator work together in a competitive process. The generator tries to create data that is indistinguishable from real data. The discriminator tries to identify whether the data is real or generated. Through this adversarial training, the generator becomes increasingly better at creating realistic data. The discriminator, in turn, becomes better at detecting fakes. Generative AI has made remarkable strides in image and art generation. AI models can now create stunningly realistic images that are difficult to distinguish from photographs. These models can generate images in various styles and with different attributes. For example, an AI model can create a portrait in the style of Van Gogh or generate images of landscapes with specific features like mountains and rivers. Artists and designers are using generative AI tools to enhance their creativity. They can use AI to generate ideas, experiment with different styles, and create unique works of art. Generative AI is also being used to create realistic three-dimensional models and animations. This has implications for industries like gaming, film, and virtual reality. Generative AI is not limited to visual content. It can also generate human-quality text in different styles and formats. AI-powered language models like GPT-3 can write stories, poems, articles, and even code. They can adapt their writing style to mimic different authors or genres. Businesses are using generative AI to automate content creation. Marketing materials, product descriptions, and social media posts can be generated quickly and efficiently. AI-powered chatbots are also becoming increasingly sophisticated. They can engage in natural-sounding conversations and provide helpful information to customers. Section 5. Revolutionizing healthcare with AI. Generative AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare in numerous ways. It can assist in drug discovery, medical imaging analysis, and personalized medicine. AI models can analyze vast data sets of medical information such as patient records and clinical trials. This analysis can help identify patterns and predict disease risk. Generative AI can also be used to generate synthetic medical data. This data can be used to train other AI models without compromising patient privacy. In medical imaging, AI can help doctors detect and diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. It can also assist in image segmentation and three-dimensional reconstruction. Section 6. Transforming business and industries. Generative AI is transforming businesses across various industries. It is automating tasks, improving efficiency, and creating new opportunities. In manufacturing, AI can optimize production processes, predict equipment failures, and design new products. It can also create personalized products based on customer preferences. In finance, AI can detect fraud, analyze market trends, and provide personalized financial advice. It can also automate tasks like risk assessment and loan approval. Generative AI is also being used in customer service, education, and entertainment. It is enhancing our experiences and providing new ways to interact with technology. Section 7. The power and promise of generative AI. Generative AI has the power to augment human capabilities and solve complex problems. It can help us be more creative, productive, and informed. By automating tasks and providing insights, generative AI can free up human time and resources for more strategic and creative endeavors. Generative AI can also help us understand complex data and make better decisions. It can identify patterns that humans might miss and provide unbiased recommendations. The potential benefits of generative AI are vast. However, it is important to use this technology responsibly and ethically. Section 8. Ethical considerations and challenges. As with any powerful technology, there are ethical considerations and challenges associated with generative AI. One concern is the potential for bias. AI models are trained on data, and if the data is biased, the AI model will also be biased. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Another concern is the potential for misuse. Generative AI can be used to create deep fakes, which are manipulated videos or audio recordings that appear to be real. Deep fakes can be used to spread misinformation and damage reputations. It is important to establish ethical guidelines and regulations for the development and use of generative AI. We need to ensure that this technology is used for good and does not harm individuals or society. Section 9. The future of generative AI. The field of generative AI is rapidly evolving. Researchers are constantly developing new models and algorithms that push the boundaries of what is possible. In the future, we can expect to see even more impressive applications of generative AI. It has the potential to transform industries, solve global challenges, and enhance our lives in countless ways. However, we must proceed with caution and ensure that generative AI is developed and used responsibly. By addressing ethical concerns and fostering collaboration, we can harness the power of this technology for the benefit of humanity. Generative AI is a powerful tool that has the potential to shape the future. By understanding its capabilities, limitations, and ethical implications, we can navigate this exciting new frontier and create a better future for all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Visit our website for more information on generative AI.